How to remove Facebook storage from iPhone. So the first thing that you can do is clear cache on your Facebook. For that, open your Facebook. Then from here, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then simply tap on the menu bar right here. Then tap on the settings icon right here. Then we'll get to the settings and privacy, from which scroll down until you see the option of browser. Tap on browser. And then you can see cookies and cache right here. Simply tap on the clear button right here. And just like that, again, tap on clear one more time. And within a few seconds, here you can see your cookies and cache on your Facebook has successfully been cleared. So after doing that, the next thing to do is simply offload the application. For that, go back and open your settings application. After doing that, what you're going to do is scroll down, then tap on General. Then in General, tap on iPhone Storage. Then in here, if you scroll down here, you'll get all of your applications right here. Simply search for Facebook right here, tap on it. And then you can see offload app, tap on it, and then tap on offload app one more time. So within few seconds, here you can see we have successfully offloaded the application. Tap on reinstall app in order to reinstall this application again on your phone. And within few minutes, here you can see we have successfully reinstalled it. And that is it. This is how you can remove Facebook storage from your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.